Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to enable and disable Talkback on your Xiaomi Pad 6. So in order to do that, open up your settings. Now scroll down to your additional settings right here. In your additional settings, find your accessibility tab, find your vision tab right at the top, and find your Talkback option. Let's press here. To activate your Talkback, simply enable the switch and press allow.
Talkback on.
Alright, we've got our Talkback on. You will have a little tutorial if you're turning it on for the first time. So what this function does, it basically reads all the text which is highlighted by this green box. So to turn off your Talkback, simply hold the volume up and volume down button right here at the bottom of your screen. Hold them simultaneously for 3 seconds.
Talkback off.
And our Talkback is off. Or you can turn it off from the same menu, from the Talkback menu. Easy as that. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.